Would you like a cash cow to supersize your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and this is my cash cow today. Just raining money. So let's talk about today for Supersize Your Business. What is a cash cow? How do you get one for your business? Let's talk about some simple and easy ways that you can get one to your business, whether you're a small business. These strategies work for small businesses as well as big businesses. You know why? Most big businesses won't go do these things in order to create a cash cow for their business. So what the heck is a cash cow? Where did it come from? Well, Peter F. Drucker, the business consultant and management leadership guru, coined the term in the mid-1960s to describe a business or a product line with a large market share, big market share, in a stagnant or declining market. So he said these type of products or services or businesses can produce large profits for a long period of time with minimal investment, minimal maintenance. They don't really need further investment. They're already established, and it doesn't cost a lot to maintain them. So they just pump out money and profits and cash that can be used for other projects, other areas of the business, other product lines, etc. So a consistently profitable business, property, or product. Now, sometimes people will apply this term to human beings, like an athlete could be considered a cash cow for the franchise that he or she is working for. A movie star or singer could be considered a cash cow for the record label or the movie company that they are creating movies for. There are a lot of people in Hollywood that are considered cash cows just because their name and them acting in a movie guarantees millions and millions of dollars of revenue for the movie. Even crappy movies pay big stars millions and millions of dollars or percentages of the box in order to bring them to their business because they know that they're a cash cow and they will ensure profitability of even questionable projects. So what's another, let's talk about what are some other things that you could call a cash cow, because I don't know about you, but I don't ever want to be called a cash cow. And there are probably many famous people that would not like to be described as a cash cow either. Golden goose, angel, patron, meal ticket. My dad used to tell my ex-husband that I was his meal ticket all the time, which I'm sure it totally annoyed him. Money maker, grub staker. That's not a very nice one either, right? Money spinner, rainmaker. I like to call them rainmakers. But anybody or anything that brings a lot of revenue into your business that can be used for whatever you want, for investment and other things, etc. So what are some ways that small businesses and big businesses alike, what are a couple of strategies that they could use in order to create cash cows in their business? Apple iPhone is a cash cow. Apple iPad is a cash cow. If not yet, it soon will be, because it just generates, Apple's the first $1 trillion company. There's a reason for that. And there's a lot of reasons for it, but a lot of it is iconic products and one-of-a-kind products that they brought into the marketplace that never existed before. So what's a strategy that you could use today? You could literally do this today. One of them is to get out and walk around. And you might not have to physically walk around, but you can search around and walk around the internet and do some research and find out what else is going on. When COVID first hit, one of the first things I did was walk downtown in my small town, walked around to see the impact it was having, what businesses were closed, what were they doing, and how were they communicating that they were closed. And I was actually appalled at how everybody had just locked up their doors, and some people didn't even bother to put a sign in their door. They just shut the doors and walked away. And what we can learn from that is, how are other people doing things? Which ones are profitable and cash cows? And we can then do the same things that the profitable ones are doing. Or we can look for people to do joint ventures with. Instead of always being competing, sometimes one of the fastest ways to grow, especially in our communities, is to walk around physically and see what else is out there and how we can contribute to that, right? Depending on what type of business you have. Number two, we can do a special today only offer to the people that we already serve. Sometimes the people that we're already serving, when we solve a problem for them, it creates a different problem for them. And if we can solve that different problem for them at a higher level, we can sell them something or offer them something else today. Number 3, look under your nose. Look at what's going on around you in your business and around that you could capitalize on to bring in more profits to be used in any way you want in your business. Another way is to recommunicate or communicate with people that are on the fence, customers that are on the fence. Find ways to bring them into the fold, maybe even at a different level, a different offer than you originally thought about, but bring them in and then serve them really well. And once you do that, they will become lifelong customers if your customer experience is good, etc. Though this one's kind of controversial, and it's totally up to us whether we do it or not, but it's to charge at least $5 for anything we do. Instead of always giving everything away for free, charge a minimum $5 offline, $7 online. I would say is a better price point. For some reason, psychologically, 7 in the online world is the number to use because more people say yes to 7 than they do to 5 or to the next, even numbered dollars. Unlike, well, I guess it's like the same in the offline world. There's a reason that Walmart, everything ends in a 7, right? 97 cents. They don't say 99 cents, but the 99 cent worked for a long time in retail, and then it went to 97 because Walmart did it, right? And Walmart's the #1 retailer. So do what works, right? Model success. And then finally, any way you can stimulate your customers' senses or create an identity or cult-like following amongst your clientele or your customers, that is the key to turning your products and services or a product line that you offer into a cash cow. I would love to know your experience with cash cows. I have worked with many cash cows in my lifetime, in different levels, different markets, different industries. And it's really, really fun because they're super duper profitable and they don't take a lot of energy and time. The systems are in place. Everything's running like a well-oiled machine. And so you're just pumping in the production raw materials and you're pumping out the cash and then using that cash for whatever you want. Now, since they're defined as being in a declining or stagnant market, excuse me, there's a cap on the amount of money that can be made in that overall market. But if it's billions and trillions of dollars, are you satisfied with that? I personally am. So share in the comments below your experience with cash cow, or if you are creating a cash cow in your business, in your industry, and a way you're going about that. Have an awesome Memorial Day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with our final financial related idiom for this month, this segment, to coincide with the annual challenge. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, just have an awesome holiday, and I'll be with you tomorrow.